Hi, I'm Danny. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to replace the hatch struts on my 2007 Honda Element. As you can see, it doesn't really go up anymore. So what I'm going to do is replace those. I looked all over the internet for something decent and I came up with these carbon fiber hatch struts. So I've got black and silver. After thinking about it for a while, I'm going to put the silver in there. It's going to match my car pretty awesome. So they also have modifications if you want to use these to hold up your hood. I'm not doing that today. What I'm doing is the hatch struts. Let me show you how to get that put on. All right, so to get the old strut off, you're going to need some way to hold the hatch up. I'm using a big 2x4, but if you have somebody that would just hold it, that would probably be better. You're also going to need a screwdriver, and if you look right here, there's actually a little notch right there. You just take this, pull that off, and then pull it off. That's how simple that is. And then on the other end, same thing here. We'll get our screwdriver underneath here, pop it up, and then pull the hatch off. And on this one, all you do is just push it on. We just bring it over, line it up, put it in, and that's it. So let's see what the difference is so far. So that works pretty good now. Let's get the other one on. All right, so let's get the other side. Let me get my board up. I probably don't need it, but I just want to be safe. Let's go ahead and get the screwdriver in there. That popped out. We're going to get the bottom. We'll get the new strut. We're going to put in the bottom and then put in the top. And that's it. Watch this. No more bumping my head. These carbon fiber hatch struts work really awesome. And look at the silver against my silver Element. I'll leave a link in the description where you can purchase these. They have a lot of different colors to match your vehicle. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and as always, thanks for watching.